Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this video and learn how to make this easy, soft and delicious chocolate cake with a warm chocolate fudge icing made in a microwave. Yes, a microwave. No preheating of the oven necessary. In just 10 minutes, the chocolate sponge is ready. With just a few ingredients and no use of the oven, this easy to make chocolate cake recipe is both affordable and energy efficient. Start by rubbing a bit of butter or margarine in an 8-inch microwave-safe pie dish. I usually keep a few butter wrappers in the fridge for this purpose. Then line with baking paper. When ready, keep aside for use later. The method for this chocolate cake recipe is really easy. Sift the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and keep aside. Then in a small bowl, mix together the wet ingredients. When ready, add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until smooth and lump-free. Then keep aside for later. In a medium mixing bowl, whip egg whites until stiff peak stage. Then fold in about half of the whipped egg whites into the chocolate mixture. Once most of the egg whites are mixed through, fold in the balance. The reason we do this in at least 2 steps is the first folding helps to loosen the mixture, so when we add in the rest, there is a minimal loss of those little air pockets in the egg white, ensuring we have a soft and fluffy sponge. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl to get any unmixed bits before pouring into the prepared pie dish. Please try to ignore my terrible footage. I just can't seem to get my microwave shots properly. Anyway, microwave the cake for 6 minutes on 50% power. Then, for about 3 to 4 minutes on 100% power. The cake is ready when an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. Leave the cake to cool down for a minute or 2 before turning out onto a wire rack to prevent sweating. For the chocolate fudge icing, microwave the butter and milk on high for 30 seconds. I suggest mixing every 10 seconds to prevent any mess. Then add in the cocoa powder and icing sugar. Mix together to form a smooth, shiny glaze. When ready, scrape out onto the cake and spread using a spoon or spatula. And there you have it. It really is that quick and easy. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Check out some of these other videos for more baking inspiration. See you next week.